Welcome to English Practice Every Day. 5 English advanced level adjectives that we will learn today are 1. Ubiquitous, ubiquitous. 2. Incremental, incremental. 3. Equanimous, equanimous. 4. Innumerable, innumerable. 5. Inconspicuous, inconspicuous. Let's start. Please speak out loud with me. 1. Ubiquitous, ubiquitous. Ubiquitous means present, appearing, or found everywhere. Ubiquitous means present, appearing, or found everywhere. The smell of fresh coffee is ubiquitous in the morning. The smell of fresh coffee is ubiquitous in the morning. Smartphones have become ubiquitous in today's society. Smartphones have become ubiquitous in today's society. English is a ubiquitous language in international business. English is a ubiquitous language in international business. 2. Incremental, incremental. Incremental means increasing gradually by regular degrees or additions. Incremental means increasing gradually by regular degrees or additions. Learning a new language often involves incremental progress. Learning a new language often involves incremental progress. The software receives incremental updates to enhance performance. The software receives incremental updates to enhance performance. My salary increased in incremental steps as I gained more experience. My salary increased in incremental steps as I gained more experience. 3. Equanimous, equanimous. Equanimous means calm and composed, especially in difficult situations. Equanimous means calm and composed, especially in difficult situations. An equanimous mind is essential for effective decision making. An equanimous mind is essential for effective decision making. Meditation helps people cultivate an equanimous state of mind. Meditation helps people cultivate an equanimous state of mind. The leader maintained an equanimous demeanor during the crisis. The leader maintained an equanimous demeanor during the crisis. 4. Innumerable, innumerable. Innumerable means too many to be counted or countless. Innumerable means too many to be counted or countless. There are innumerable stars in the night sky. There are innumerable stars in the night sky. The internet offers innumerable resources for learning. The internet offers innumerable resources for learning. The forest is home to innumerable species of plants and animals. The forest is home to innumerable species of plants and animals. 5. Inconspicuous, inconspicuous. Inconspicuous means not clearly visible or not attracting attention. Inconspicuous means not clearly visible or not attracting attention. I usually prefer to remain inconspicuous in social gatherings. I usually prefer to remain inconspicuous in social gatherings. The spy operated in an inconspicuous manner to avoid detection. The spy operated in an inconspicuous manner to avoid detection. The bird's dull plumage allowed it to be inconspicuous in the forest. The bird's dull plumage allowed it to be inconspicuous in the forest. That's all for this vocabulary practice session. Please keep practicing these 5 advanced level adjectives that we learned today until the next time when we pick up 5 more words to learn and master them. Bye for now.